Hey everybody. I was gonna say it's Ian, and then I'm like, you guys probably already know that since you have chosen to watch this video. But it is Ian, still. I'm going to do a swipe today. So, usually I don't do them intentionally. Usually I try and do them to save a pour, but I'm actually going to do it on purpose. So I'm going to cover this in white, which all my paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. And then the colors I'm going to use are Grumbacher Persian Blue, Artist La Vermilion, Artist La Lemon Yellow, and then this is a self-mixed, I guess mint green would be the closest. And in that, I added Treadmill Silicone Spot On brand from Amazon. Otherwise, the other colors do not have silicone in them. So, I've got my white in here, but it is Dutch Boy, just latex house paint. And I keep it mixed with the Floetrol and water in here just because it makes it real easy to work with. So, let's see if that's enough. It's real bubbly because I shook it. So, can't really stir it when it's in that container. So, I will, before I start swiping, I will torch it. To get all the bubbles out. So I did some resin yesterday and they turned out beautiful, but like two of the pieces have two spots on them. So I'm gonna have to go back and fix those, but they do look really good. At least now I'm not so irritated when I have to go back in and fix it. Since I don't mind the resin as much, but it's still, you know, it still kills me, because resin's really, really expensive. So the fact that I've got to do a second coat on it, you know, it's expensive. So let me torch these air bubbles out. Ooh, look at them pop. They just jump right off of there. I do have a little chunk of something. There we go. Oh, I see another chunk. And no, for those of you commenting or thinking it, I will probably never actually get a pair of tweezers. Because that would just take the whole fun out of it. That would just make this way too easy. Come on. Alright, so now that I said I was going to do I'll still. I'm iffy on this. I'm really, really iffy. But I get stuck doing very similar things, and you know, it's probably good for me to do something different once in a while. So this is with the silicone. never really done it this way, so I have no idea what this will look like. I really honestly don't. Swipes are fun though. It's fun just watching what happens. Oops. Turning it this way because I don't think I can do it backwards. Holding it up to see if I can see if there's any bare spots. I don't think there is. Looks pretty cool. Seems way too easy though. I feel like there should be more to it. There's just some bald spots. I'm just filling in those bald spots. Let's see what other bald spots are there. Torch. There might just be too many fucking cells developed. I kind of like it. I'll show it to you this way. So that's how I've been looking at it. Okay, I don't like it that way. That was kind of cool. I think my favorite is this way for me. So for you, that would be that way. This is a really quick and painless one. I kind of like them harder and more painful. So there's that, my swipe. I just kind of wonder how many more cells are going to develop and if they're kind of going to take over, because there's a possibility that could happen. But I will leave it to dry and I will update you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.